I'm on the Schuylkill River. That is in southeast Pennsylvania. Someplace between Royers Ford and Pottstown. You've seen my videos here before. Going for flatheads and channel catfish mainly. Got till sunset to 8 o'clock, 5 hours. Let's get it done. Hey, the water's nice, normal level. Pretty clean. So let's see how I do today. When you hear the whistle, yes, it is time to go Okay, right away. The water starts at 5 feet. I don't have to go all the way up. Okay, let's just turn it. Closer. There's the anchor. I'm dropping the anchor.
In this swift moving current, you better know what you're doing when using an anchor, because it could flip you over in a heartbeat.
From the back. One anchor from the back. Spinning around. Feel anchor trying to grab over here. Okay, I think we grabbed. The current's still moving pretty darn fast, and it's at its normal level. The first thing I do, is put this float on, in case I have to break away from the anchor. Alright, let's see if I catch a flathead. That's what I'm mainly going for, but I will settle for a channel later on. It's not chicken liver. I think this one's big, but they love the current.
Talking about the current, check it out. This is normal levels. I mean, that river is flying by,
Yeah, this one's not that
helping that catfish get away.
This is a juvenile. He still has his spots. Not many, but he still has his spots. Circle hook. Gotta love them. Gotta love the circle hooks. All right, let's cast it out then. Put it in the rod holder, open up the bail, and that's it. Forget to wash your hands.
Oh yeah, and don't forget your towel. You will be washing your hands often if you're catching catfish.
Here we go. Let's get them before it's too late. Oh, we took a lot of line out. not done yet. Where's he at? There he is. Don't go tangling me up with the other one. Okay, so, he's coming along. Fish grips, ready to go. Very good. Every time I go fishing, I learn a little more and more. People, chicken liver is the way to go. If you can't keep it on the hook, look at some of my videos. I'll show you how to do it. Very easy. Whew. Oh, it's getting tired. Uh-oh. 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 There goes the other rod, people. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ah, this is ridiculous. Let me put this one on the back burner. Oh, I can't. No. I'm going to put him here. Otherwise, I'm going to run out of line. Okay. Now this one, I know what I got here. So I could put him. Oh my goodness. Let him run, let him run.
This catfish I will put in the back rod holder while I'm fighting the other one. He'll be all right. I got the drag set just right, so he won't break the line. He's comfortable.
This one has a cut bait. This is going to be interesting. Oh, he's tangled up in something. Sorry, he's on there good. He's tangled up. He was going to the bank. Now this one, oh, he's not pulsating. Oh, there's so much debris under there. Oh, I don't know if I'm going to get him. Oh, free again. What is it? I lost him. Did I? No, he's going on the other side of the boat. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. See my leader. I still don't know what I've got. No, I believe it's a channel catfish. He took a small. One with cut bait. Okay. Whoa. Loosen up the drag here in case he wants to go, which I don't think he's gonna want to. Alright. Now I can't put him in my back rat holder. I still won't be able to reach the leader. And the wind is howling. Okay. Calm down. I think he just about had enough. Just about had enough. Where you at, buddy? Ooh, that hurts. All you gotta do is open up. Whew, got him. You're gonna fish for catfish. All I could tell you is you're gonna get slimed. So don't be all squeamish. Let's put him. Easy, big guy. Put him on the bungee. What is it, June 7th? About 4 o'clock on chicken livers, as usual. I also have cut bait, but nothing's happening right now on the cut bait. Whoa, don't slap me. But nice, clean looking channel cat, nevertheless. He hit it right in the current. I thought he'd be in slack water. They like the current. Chicken.
Let me show you both cats together. What a great day.
June, what is it, 12th, 2:30. What a day. Both rods were going. This guy on the right, this guy right here, he was on cut bait. This guy was on chicken liver. Can you believe that? Beautiful. All right. Let's leave these guys go.
Because of the swift current, you can't really enjoy the release.
Smaller one of the two. Two rods were going. Whew. I know. Two rods at the same time. Wow.
And here are a couple of things that might help you catch catfish.
And you see, this is how I keep my chicken liver, or any kind of catfish bait. This is a canning jar, has a seal on it. So, what is it? What is it? No piece here. Got another catfish. So when you don't get the stink. All right, let me go get this guy. All right, you know what a fish finder rig is? Okay. Give you a good look at this. Let me see. Can you see it through here? Okay. And when the fish hits it, it's free to go. and the weight stays on the ground. You got your swivel here when they start spinning and churning. Okay. Then you have your circle hook and your sunfish. Okay, the chicken liver. First I get this elastic thread. They call it elastic thread in the store. Okay. Cut a foot of it off. Let me get my chicken liver here. Let me see if this will work. I'd like a better chunk, but okay, piece of chicken liver. Basically, what you do is wrap it up like a package. Just keep wrapping it in different at different angles and stretch the thread. That's why they call it elastic thread. And what's going to happen is you don't actually put the hooks through the chicken liver. It's all wrapped up nicely. Put it through the middle. And this is actually being held by the thread. It'll stay there forever. You can cast it a mile, it won't come off.